Among the oaks of Sugar Land, Texas, we find Shakelia Osby, a BCBA serving as the program supervisor of Therapy and Beyond, a company that specializes in compassionate and individualized care for all children and adolescents with autism. Shakelia was drawn to the open concept and quickly became embraced by the culture.
So the culture here at Therapy and Beyond, I feel like it's very supportive. And when I say supportive, I mean if I need specific training, it's done. It's there for me. Resources for myself and for families is always available. If I'm having specific questions about assessments that I'm not familiar with, it was always there provided for me.
This position has challenged Shakelia as a professional and as a leader.
Since starting here at Therapy and Beyond, I was pushed to my limits, and I've been able to work with different age groups, and just seeing the magnitude of progress my children has made since being here, I feel confident. I feel like my skills have grown. But most of all, I am going to miss the friendships that I've made here. I had a great relationship with the director, and then new coming RBTs. We made great friendships.
As Shakelia moves on to be closer to family, an empty chair awaits someone looking for a place where they are supported, valued, and called family.